What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to officially download older plugins or themes versions into a simple, fast, effective and secure method. So imagine the following scenario. You went to your WordPress dashboard, see a notice to update one of your plugins, in this case is WooCommerce, and you have updated it, okay? So suddenly, right after the update, the plugin stopped work, okay? So something broke and it was working into the previous version. So might be some bug, might be some plugin conflict, might be some add-on that needs update, but the update isn't ready yet. So the best option to keep your site, your store selling, your site running, it's downgrade the plugin. It's keep the plugin to the older version. But how to do this? There is a very simple way. First thing, go to Google and type WordPress.org. Go to this first result right here. WordPress.org. Review these menus and go to expand. Click on plugins. Find the plugin that you would like to download the older version. In my case, it's going to be WooCommerce, but you can use the search as well. Review the right side of menus. Scroll down until you find the advanced view button, okay? This one right here. Click on it and you're going to be able to see a couple of options. Scroll down until you find advanced options. Previous versions. Select the version that you would like to use. In my case, it's going to be the 10.3.2 and download. There is a repository on WordPress.org of every single version of your plugins, that if the plugin is present on the WordPress.org, okay? If you download the plugin on some other marketplace, you're gonna need to contact the developer asking for the older version, okay? But now what to do? Deactivate the plugin. Nothing to worry, no content will lost. Delete. Go to upload, choose the file, select the file that you just have downloaded. You are good to go. Now it's time to go for themes. The process is the same. Expand themes. Find the theme that you would like to download the previous version. Scroll down. Find the advanced view. Right here we have the developer log or the submission repository. So if you go to themes, what we're going to be able to see, it's this 4 options. You can see a lot of codes, you can see the change logs, you can see the version history, but there is no option to download it all, okay? So what to do? This is what I'm going to learn in tomorrow's video. So subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you later. All the best.